They say that naturals do some crazy things for hair growth.
Hi there, thanks for dropping by. If you are new to Unspoken Wordz, hi, welcome. On this channel, I am all about the natural hair, DIYs, product testing other people's DIYs and seeing how it works with my hair and letting you guys know and giving reviews on each and every one of those things that I've just talked about. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I am going to be going through how I do a deep conditioner using carrot juice. So for the month that I used for my month challenge, when I was doing it with carrot juice, I had this video that I did then. I just didn't get the chance to edit it and post it out, so this is what I'm going to do right now. If you haven't seen that video of how I use carrot juice or carrots, I used carrots and made it into juice and oil for that month growth challenge. I'll put it up here, it'll come up on that card thingy there for you guys to go and click on it to watch it. But before you do that, let's watch this video first. Let's get straight into how I do this DIY conditioner with carrot juice and amla powder. I have the carrot in this container here. Still, I think it's fully defrosted now actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a tablespoon of amla powder and just dissolve that in here. So I have 2 spoons. Yes, I'm very aware. Don't ask me why, I just do. So it's about a heaping tablespoon of amla powder. Let's just make sure you guys can, it's still okay. So that's a tablespoon of amla powder going in there. Should I do a tablespoon? No, let's just do a tablespoon. Let me just close that. I usually get these powders in bulk where I can. And then I don't know how much of the thing I'm going to put in, but we'll see. This is still pretty cold. I just need it to be mixed to make this liquid enough to mix with the conditioner. Maybe I'm gonna have to add a bit more carrot juice. I usually do amla powder and water for my hair like a face mask. If I have the video, I will show it on screen. But amla, I love amla because it kind of smells like cucumber, and it kind of has a slight tingle to it as well when you apply it to your face. That's just me anyway. That's how I see it. I don't know if anybody else experiences that, but that's how I experience it. So I've left my washing a little late today, but okay. So this is the kind of consistency that I plan to do. I don't know if you guys can probably see that without shaking the camera too much. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. This is the kind of the consistency. So it's a pretty thick consistency, pretty gloopy, kind of like I don't know. So I'm just gonna add this. I'm using this one, and I usually don't use this because I don't like the way it feels in my hair, but it's nearly finished, so I'm gonna add it with my other conditioner. I think that should be pretty much. Oops, sorry guys, I keep shaking. It should be enough. Okay, I can go and throw this in the bin now. Has a very sticky consistency to it. It's very I'm still gonna add more conditioner anyway, but yeah, it's very very weird looking. You can't really see with this camera just because of the way it is, but yeah, it's very, it could be worse. So today I've decided I'm just gonna skip the conditioner step and just go straight for the deep conditioner just because of time. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I don't know, I might just add more carrot to liquefy a little bit. I'm not entirely, no. I think that's just the way the amla is. I'll add more conditioner. It has a bit of it's coagulated a little bit. I don't believe that's the right word. Clumped up a bit, but that's just, I've noticed that's something that amla tends to do anyway when you add water to it. So yeah, that's just gonna do that. I might add a bit of glycerin to it actually. I don't feel like it's thick enough, but we'll see. I'm gonna add glycerin to it because I would like to finish this glycerin as soon as possible. I don't usually use this glycerin much for anything, so I'm gonna put a tablespoon of glycerin. That's how it looks. Okay, so this is quite runny now. But yeah, oops, close. That was very, very close. So yeah, I'm just going to use this on my hair and wash my hair with the rest of this water. Oops, the rest of this water. But yes guys, that is it.